To get started with Authorize.net Accept.js, you need to have an Authorize.net account and a payment form on your website. The Accept.js library is a JavaScript solution that allows you to collect sensitive payment information from your customers without having to handle the data directly. First, you need to include the Accept.js library in your payment form by adding a script tag that points to the Accept.js URL. You can find this URL in the Authorize.net documentation. Next, you need to create a payment form that includes fields for the customer to enter their payment information such as card number, expiration date, and security code. You also need to include a token input field that will store the payment token returned by Authorize.net. When the customer submits the payment form, you need to use the Accept.js library to send a request to Authorize.net to generate a payment token. This request includes the payment information entered by the customer and your Authorize.net API credentials. Authorize.net will then return a payment token that you can use to charge the customer's card. You should never store the customer's sensitive payment information on your server. To use the payment token, you need to send it to your server and use it to create a transaction request to Authorize.net. You can then use the response from Authorize.net to update your database and complete the payment process. Best practices for using Accept.js include making sure to handle errors and exceptions properly and providing clear instructions to your customers on how to use the payment form. You should also make sure to test your payment form thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Authorize.net Accept.js to securely collect payment information from your customers and process transactions on your website. This helps to reduce your PCI DSS scope and protect your customers' sensitive payment information.